Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Windows Copilot is not working in Windows 11 on in 2025, then please watch this video. See, yes, it's not about 2025 anytime. But I'll tell you why the year is important, because recently, even though Copilot was introduced last year, if you right click and select settings, you won't find Copilot here. You might not even find it in the taskbar. That is because Windows has basically pushed it into the background. So search for Copilot in the search bar, and then you can open Microsoft 365 Copilot from here. Okay. Now, if this doesn't work either, then search for Copilot and then click on these three dots at the right. The downward pointing arrow. Select Run as Administrator. Does this help? If not, then search for Copilot once again and go to App Settings this time. Scroll down, select Terminate, click on Repair, and then finally wait till you get a tick mark here, click on Reset, and then on Reset once again. If this doesn't help either, if everything else fails, just uninstall Copilot, remove it from the system. Now search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Copilot, hit enter, go to Microsoft Copilot, click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.